and making hard efforts to become a great country. Therefore, China is conserving its resources by not purchasing limousines and expensive cars, but investing in its youth, in education, in health, and in providing modern techniques to industry and agriculture to become a giant in few decades time from now. That is 1981. My very dear Chinese brothers and sisters, that was 1981. And today we are in 2024. It is a journey of more than 40 years. And imagine, I didn't know at that point in time that China in 2024 would be the world's second largest economy and the world's second largest and mightiest military power on the face of the earth. Ladies and gentlemen, many 100 years ago, in a small Chinese village, a young boy was trying to clear a path to reach his village to close the distance and reduce the distance, and he was using a shovel. An elderly Chinese person was passing by and asked this young boy, "What are you doing?" He said, "My village is there and we have to go through a long way to reach our village. I am removing this small mountain through shovel so that our distance is reduced and I can reach my village in half the time." The elderly person said to that young boy, "Do you know that this is an uphill task, very difficult task, and you will not be able to complete this in the coming many years?" He said, "Yes, I know this. It is a very difficult task, but I will keep on doing it. And if I die, my son will do it. And if my son dies, my grandson will do it. And one day we will halve the distance to reach our village." Ladies and gentlemen, this is the greatest of stories of struggle, hard work, untiring efforts, blood and sweat, which has made China today a great country on the planet. And without China, the world can't move. And without China, the world can't proceed. This is one of the finest hours for a person like me and my fellow Pakistanis sitting here who believe in this friendship through this journey of struggle, hard efforts and untiring efforts. But we all know that China was born 2 years after Pakistan was born. But today, China's trade runs into trillions of dollars, and Pakistan's trade is still hovering around $30–40 billion in terms of exports. China today excels in information technology, in artificial technology. We have just had this wonderful cooperation of space program between China and Pakistan. But in terms of Pakistan's progress and Pakistan's prosperity, I think it will be unfair to myself and to my fellow Pakistanis sitting here along with my Chinese brothers and sisters It's not an event, it's a family union. It's a family gathering.